Well, I started out a long time ago. I worked for this guy, Emeril, Lagasse in New Orleans back in the 90s. And then I moved to St. Louis in the late 90s. So the concept of chicken out, I love fast casual, but I think the trend is going more towards fast food. I'm somewhere in between fast food and fast casual. And that's why we came up with the title Faster Casual. But it's really born out of two of my favorite concepts are Chick-fil-A and In-N-Out. So I came up with the name Chicken Out. We have a walk-up window, but mostly it's a carry-out restaurant. You know, we're trying to get the food out really quickly and just fresh. We've always bought true in all the restaurants because, well, number one, they're dependable. Refrigeration is one thing where I don't ever skimp, or I always buy true and I always buy new. We have freezers in the front and the back, but it's great to have the freezer up front because we sell so many shakes. I mean, it's crazy. It has to be soft enough to scoop. You know, it's got to be perfect. So we buy true because they're dependable. It's American made, and so we like to support that too. And they look great.